100% finest stainless steel. The utmost quality. Seamless workmanship. BORA Tepan stainless steel grill. Grill like a pro. Whether meat, fish or desserts, there is nothing you can't prepare on the BORA Tepan stainless steel grill. The solidly manufactured hob of 6 mm thick stainless steel is made from a single piece. With 5.2 kW heat output and true surface temperature of 250 degrees, the Tepan stainless steel grill achieves true professional performance levels. The BORA hob extractor is located between the hobs, thus drawing off adores where they arise. The two grill zones, front and rear, can be regulated independently of each other. At a hefty 14 kilos, the BORA Tepan stainless steel grill combines the utmost in quality with maximum effectiveness. Thanks to its seamless workmanship and the rounded-off inner corners, the griddle is especially easy to clean. No dirty residue, no cooking adores. The Tepan stainless steel grill can be fitted flush mount into the countertop, thus blending in seamlessly in a kitchen's unique design. The BORA Tepan stainless steel grill enables professional quality grilling with gourmet sophistication.